So this is group 27 and we're going to demonstrate our app now. So what our app basically does is lets the user enter his grocery list and connect with his friends and neighbors. So if one of his friends goes to a store which gets these items, he'll get a notification saying that this friend is at that store, and then we can pass on our grocery list to that friend and request him to buy things. So first we'll demonstrate how we can register a user here. So we are giving in a username. Now we are giving a user email ID. We are creating the password. So now we have created an account. We are using a real-time database called Firebase. Now that the user is registered, let's look at this database here. Here on authentication, we can see that the new user that got created is here, and in the database we can see that the user is registered here. Yeah, this is the user that we created. The user got registered here. Now that the user is registered, let's see how we can log in and enter the grocery items. So now the registered user is logging in. That's great, the user logged in. The user is going to enter the grocery items to buy. So as soon as the user saved the grocery items, we can see that grocery items right here. So when we click on grocery and we click on, we can see milk, bread and chips right there. Now that's great. So now we'll demonstrate the update and logout functionalities of the app. So here, as you can see, in Shefali Roy's account we have this grocery list. Now she's going to add more items to it. Now she's going to save these items in the grocery list. When she presses the save button, you can see that the grocery items got updated. So now when we log out of the app, we can show that when she logs back in, she still has the grocery list. As you can see, the grocery list still remains the same. Now moving on to the next part, we're going to show you how to add friends here. So as you can see from the database, there are two users. So one is shefaliroy@gmail.com, the other is mcspring2017@gmail.com. Let's add the mcspring account as a friend of Shefali. Now going on here, we have logged into the account of Shefali. Now we're going to add the mcspring account as a friend. So now, as you can see in the database, Shefali Roy has a friend as MC Spring. At the same time, we are subscribing Shefali Roy to receive notifications from the MC Spring account. Now going ahead, let's see how to disable those notifications we want to. We have this toggle button called disable notifications, which on press will disable, and which again on press will enable notifications from a specific user. So this enables the user to get notifications from a user if he or she visits a store that gets things from his to buy list.
The next task that we'll be demonstrating is when, say, the user MC Spring goes to Walmart, all his friends will receive a notification that he is at Walmart. We are doing this by comparing the current location of MC Spring with the Walmart, and when that matches, we send a notification to each of the users that are subscribed to the topic MC Spring. So say now MC Spring is at Walmart and the phone that we are showing you is going to be logged in with Shefali's account. We can see that Shefali will receive a notification when MC Spring reaches Walmart. For now, we've just hard-coded the current locations values as Walmart for this demonstration's purpose. So as you can see, the notification says MC Spring is at Walmart. And now Shefali can click on it and respond to that notification by mailing her grocery list to MC Spring. So when Shefali logs in to the application, she can click on the send list, which will let her email the grocery list to MC Spring. And here you can see that MC Spring receives the grocery list, and this can be used for communicating the grocery list of a friend when another friend is at Walmart. We'll also demonstrate the delete account functionality that we have implemented. So for the delete account functionality, you can see that the two currently registered users are MC Spring and Shefali Roy. So now we'll show delete account for Shefali Roy. When you click on delete account, it goes back to the login page, and on refreshing the authentication page, we can see that there's only one user, and also in the database under the users you can see that there's only MC Spring. The next functionality that we have implemented is to detect if the user is driving, and when the user is driving we give him suggestions on the nearby supermarkets that he can visit to buy items from his to buy list. So the messages that will get sent on different scenarios will be: one is to notify all the friends when a user reaches Walmart, and another is to detect the user's driving and notify him of nearby supermarkets. And as you can see here, these are the 16 tasks that we have completed. Thank you.